Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to create our Jamaican Bay earrings. These earrings use Delica beads in fun colors to create a trendy tassel to add to your earring design. I'm using blue, purple, and green colors, but we have tons of different color options you can choose from to customize them any way that you want. To make these earrings, you're going to need size 11 metallic galvanized silver Delica beads, size 11 Jamaican Bay inside color lined Delica beads, size 11 violet rose inside color lined Delica beads, and size 11 pistachio inside color lined Delica beads. You're also going to need two 8mm Olivine Swarovski crystal beads, two of these silver base metal plain cylinder cord ends, your ear wire. You're going to need 24 gauge non-tarnished silver wire, and then teal size D Superlon beading thread, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, wire cutters, Xuron thread and fiber scissors, and a size 12 beading needle. You can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to start your earring, you first want to cut about a 4-inch length of wire, and then we're going to want to make a wire wrap loop on one end. So to do that, take your chain nose and about 1.5 inches down, make a 90-degree bend, and then take your round nose. Now we want this loop to be a little bit larger because it's going to be what fits inside this end cap here, holding all these seed beads lengths that make the tassel. So we want to bring it all the way down and just rotate the wire around to create your loop. And then you want to take your chain nose and just hold that loop. And then with that tail, we're just going to wrap that down about 3 times. Use your wire cutters, cut the tail. Okay, so there you have your wire wrap loop. So then after you have that complete, you want to thread about 4 feet of your beading thread onto your needle. And then you want to go through that loop. Just bring it all the way to the end. Okay, and we just want to tie a knot. Okay, just to attach it to that loop there. And if you want, you can use a little bit of hypo tube cement. So add a teeny drop to that knot there just to secure it. A little bit more. And then take your scissors and just cut that tail. Okay, so now you have your length of beading thread attached, and we want to begin stringing our beads. So we want to do 10 of the blue, okay, and then you want to do 1 silver, and then 2 blue, another silver, 2 of the purple, another silver, 2 green, a silver, 2 more purple, silver, and then 2 blue, a silver bead, and then 5 blue. Okay, so bring those all the way down. That's going to be 1 strand for your tassel. So now you want to skip that last seed bead. And you want to go back up through the rest of them. Okay, just make sure as you're doing this you don't skip any beads. So go through all the beads just carefully. Okay, then you just want to make sure that it's right up against your loop. And then we want to take our beading needle, just put it through the loop, and then put your needle through that thread loop that was made, and pull tight, and that's just going to hold that one strand in place. Okay, so there's 1 strand for your tassel. So we're going to do that one more time here. So 10 blue beads, and then 1 silver, 2 blue, 1 silver, 2 purple, 1 silver, 2 green, silver, 2 more purple, 1 silver, 2 blue, another silver, and then 5 blue. Okay, and just bring that up to that loop. And skip that last bead there, and then go through that second from the end and up the rest of the beads. Just making sure not to skip any beads as you're going. Let's pull tight. Okay, and then again, we just want to go through the loop of the wire, and then bring your needle through that loop that's made with the thread and pull tight. And I'm just going to hold that strand in place. Okay, so there you have 2 strands of your tassel. And now we want to have a total of 15. So I'm going to go ahead and do 13 more of these, and I will be right back. Okay, as you can see, I have 15 strands all attached to that wire wrap loop. And now I just want to, at the end, just want to secure it again, that last strand. To the wire loop, and then you can just take some hypo tube cement, just dab a little bit of glue on that last little knot that you made. Take your scissors, just trim that tail. Okay, so now you have your tassel with 15 strands of those seed beads. So then from here, you want to take your cord end, just bring it down, and you just want to bring it so all of those strands are just right inside, and that wire wrap loop is just sitting right inside this end here. And then you want to attach or string your crystal bead, and then we just want to make a wire wrap loop like we did at the beginning on this end. So again, to do that, just want to take your chain nose, make a 90-degree bend, making sure that there's room between the bead and your bend. And this loop can be a little bit smaller since there's nothing that's going to need to be attached to it besides an ear wire. It's about 3/8 of an inch. Just rotate, make a loop, then hold that loop with your chain nose pliers, and then just bring the tail down and wrap about 3-4 times, just until it's snug up against the bead. Take your wire cutters, trim the tail, and then you can take your chain nose pliers. You can just kind of tuck in that tail if you need to. Okay, there you have a nice little loop made at the top. So now all you need to do is attach your ear wire to that top loop. So just open up the loop of your ear wire, attach the wire wrap loop, and then close that back up with your chain nose pliers. There you have a super cute tassel earring. And then you just want to repeat that for the other earring. And now you have a trendy pair of tassel earrings to show off this season. You can find all of the tools and materials for these Jamaican Bay earrings at fusionbeads.com.